Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. The legend is back. The iconic Mercedes-Benz W123, one of the most durable and respected cars ever built, is rumored to make a stunning comeback in 2026, known worldwide for its bulletproof reliability and timeless design. The W123 defined an era of true German engineering. Now imagine that classic soul reborn with modern technology. A quick look back at history. Originally launched in 1976 by Mercedes-Benz, the W123 quickly became a global success, from Europe to South Asia and especially in countries like Pakistan. This car earned a reputation for lasting decades. Taxi drivers loved it, families trusted it, collectors still admire it. Its boxy design, chrome grille, upright headlights, and solid steel body made it instantly recognizable. Even today, a clean W123 turns heads. 2026 revival, classic meets modern. The 2026 old Mercedes-Benz W123 concept keeps the vintage body shape, but adds modern upgrades. LED round headlights inspired by the original. Digital instrument cluster hidden inside a retro dashboard. Turbocharged 2.0L engine or possible hybrid option. Advanced safety systems with classic styling. Luxury leather interior with wood trim. It's nostalgia, but upgraded. Interior, retro luxury redefined.
Step inside and you'll
find a beautiful blend of old school, charm and modern comfort. Think classic wood panels, premium stitched seats, and a minimalist dashboard, but with a hidden touchscreen system and wireless connectivity. Mercedes aims to keep the analog feel alive while quietly integrating 2026 tech, performance and reliability. The original W123 was famous for crossing 500,000 plus kilometers without major issues. The 2026 version promises the same reliability, but with smoother suspension, improved fuel efficiency, and better handling. It won't just look classic, it will drive like a modern luxury sedan. Why this car still matters. The W123 isn't just a car. It's a symbol of durability, class, and engineering perfection. Bringing it back in 2026 connects generations, from classic car lovers to new enthusiasts. For countries where the W123 still dominates the streets, decades later, this revival would be emotional. Final thoughts. If Mercedes officially launches the 2026 OLD Mercedes-Benz W123, it could redefine retro modern cars. Classic design, modern technology, and legendary reliability, that's a formula for success. Would you buy this reborn legend? Let me know in the comments don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reveals.